attention. You got potential.
Okay, I'm at a different angle because the other one was like up high. This one may be a little too low. Okay, it's okay. But hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Keila Monique as so hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Keila Monique. If you're new, hey, if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. New subscriber, please subscribe. I am here to stay. As stated in my last video, I was in my A, under the weather, whatever you want to call it. If you don't know, I am 5 months pregnant, blah blah blah, whatever with the woo, it's a boy. I'm gonna make a separate video about that. But I'm gonna unbox this camera. I went and bought a camera actually because I am gonna start taking, you know, my little situation, content and all that seriously. I am launching my business in August. August 11th is supposed to be my stock date for my ready to wear wigs. All you gotta do is put them on. When I send them to you, they aren't gonna already come with bleach knots, plucked hairline, style, all that. Small, medium, large, head size, cap size. But anyways, that's another video for another day. I got this camera from Best Buy and it is the, let me see, Sony ZV-1F. As you can see, I did not open it yet, and I had bought the Ultra Plus micro card with adapter. It's the 256 gigabytes speed up to 160 MB. I had bought that. This was $34. I think the camera was like $600 with insurance. And then I went to Target because I forgot, and Target close to my house, and bought the universal card reader. Well, you know, I can transfer my videos to my iPad or my laptop to edit them, you know, or wherever I edit on. So much easier. So I can still use CapCut because that's what I edit on. But ooh, something in my air. Let's just get into this video. Something in my air. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry. If y'all hear something, that's my baby in the background. She in my room watching TV. I can't get it open, but I don't want to just break the box. You feel me? Okay. So this is what it looks like when you first open the box. These are like, I guess, manuals and instructions, the reference guide, digital camera, about the menu for this camera. Yeah, that's this stuff. I'm gonna keep it because I'm gonna look at it later on when I get to bed. And then, so you just pull this out. And what's this? This, I don't know what this is in here. Okay, this go on the mic part. I don't say what this is. It's on the mic part. You know, the little fluff thing that y'all be seeing. I'm finna put it back in here. You know. But yeah, that was this. Is the little fluffy part on there. I hope I'm looking at the camera the right way. I don't want to be looking cross-eyed. I need some lashes on. Let's see, you got a cord. I hate that now we come with the wire piece. It's slick. But I can charge it on my lamp. I mean, maybe. It come with the one battery, but you can order like, you know, if you want some more. I'm gonna do that order off Amazon. Like I said, I have more than one battery. Here you go. I guess you gotta buy a battery charger for your other batteries, you know. So this is the battery. And here's the camera. I'm so extra. So y'all, I had it upside down. Here you go, right here. And then you can just open it. And I think it flips like this. It does. I got a camera, y'all. I got a camera, y'all. It look like this. And don't mind my nails. I'm trying to let my pinky grow back because I pulled my whole nail off. I had some long nails, y'all. I'm liking it. I'm feeling it. Then it flip. Okay. I'm freaking with it. Okay. Make sure I know what I'm doing. Okay, the battery go up in here. Is it this way? Okay, it's that way. Maybe I ain't trying to tell them no. Close. Oh. Just took this off for the lens. Excuse me, I'm sorry, my baby just came here. What do you want? You got stuff off the chip on your hand? You want to wash your hands? Go wash them in the bathroom. She really ate chips and got the little Dorito stuff on her hand. Can't play with that. Say, hey, y'all. Okay, go wash your hands and go back and watch TV, okay? You're not gonna go back? Okay, go. What do you want? I'm doing something. Get up. No, stop touching stuff. I'm doing something. Can't you see? Come on, go get in bed. Tell them bye-bye. Say bye-bye. No, don't touch it. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Go watch TV. Thank you, Mama. Ain't no more. Small. Serious. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to pause the video. Go get your cup. Go. Thank you. Okay, before I got rudely interrupted, because I'm not cutting it out. I took this piece off the front of the camera. It's like, you know. So I'm about to turn it on. Oh, okay, you say English. I understand, boo. Connect the smartphone. Simplifies initial camera settings. What do I want to connect my phone for? My phone up there. Okay, y'all. Hold on. I'm gonna connect my phone and then I'm gonna add it back. Hey, Mama. Okay, hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I connected the camera to my phone, so I really don't need this right here, but you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna edit on the iPad, I think. And so the camera is on. It says no card. That's a pretty good camera. Let me show y'all. Oh, yeah, I can't see. I'm tripping. Wait a minute. Y'all see how clear it is? Yeah. Them ones so clear. Yeah, I be spitting. My baby have me spitting. Like, for no reason. Ew. I'm gonna insert this card. Hush or get out. I'm gonna insert this card. So I won't forget. Move then, baby. Move. She wasn't even in here. Like, oh my God. Yeah, I'll be right back. Let me go get some scissors. Move back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. And I just took the smaller one in there. And now I'm gonna put it in the camera. It say preparing image. Okay, yeah. So it say about 9 hours and 45 minutes. I guess recording or something. But y'all see like I'm so tired of spitting. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this on with. You wanna watch TV? Okay, I put it on. Look like this. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. And charge it and stuff. No, this is not what you play with, boo. Yeah, y'all gotta release y'all one of these. And then I gotta I had to think about it. Compact 50 aluminum tripod with 3-way pin and tilt head. For the camera, I got it from Target. It was $20. My whole little YouTube setup. I told y'all I ain't gonna play. Like, I ain't gonna play. I got a whole little setup. I'm gonna test this camera though. I can't even start recording it. I gotta order me some more batteries so I can be on the go with it. On the go with it, boo. I got my charger because I'm gonna start charging it. I mean, I ain't changing the settings or nothing like that. You know, because I'm not tech savvy. Hey. Okay, well, I'm not tech savvy, so I'm not tech savvy, so I'm not gonna change the camera. But I will once I start recording on it. I'm gonna let y'all know, like, hey, this is the camera. Well, y'all don't know anyway, cause my phone right here, and then you know, my phone in my hand. But y'all get what I'm saying. I'm fucking with it. I'm fucking with it. I want to get me a little pink case. Yeah, I know pink. I've been on pink bad now. I don't know why I don't have a little boy, but I've been on pink bad. I threw this mud on so fast, so I said I gotta start recording. So I'm sorry, y'all. So that's it. I got my camera. I put the mic thing on. I'm gonna open the adapter card reader. Cause I'm most definitely gonna be using this when I transfer it to my own. Oh, y'all, when I hooked it up to the camera to my phone, let me tell y'all, you can do the pictures and videos like that if you don't have the adapter and want to edit on your phone. I just had to let y'all know that. But I'm gonna be editing on the iPad, so yeah. And yeah, you stick the SD card in there, and then I don't know why I'm looking at this. You hook it up to your phone, cause I got an iPhone, so I got the iPhone. I got an iPad. I got the iPad, and they got the one that go to your computer where you can stick in here, and then you know. So I'm gonna put it back in the box cause I don't want to lose it. I didn't start recording on the camera yet. Get all my junk up. Yeah, where does spitting come from when you pregnant? Like, ew. It's just so nasty. You need to hand up my food. I will charge my camera up tonight, so I'm gonna start recording on tomorrow, depending on what time I get out of work. Let me see if I can see. So basically, right now, about the camera, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so over this spitting. But the camera was, I think in all it was $604. I should have just got the little bundle deal where it come with the little stand, the holder thing, but I don't know, I wasn't thinking. It's $604. I got this, and I got the 2-year insurance. It comes with it if anything happen to replace anything, all it. What, baby? Okay. And it's touchscreen. That's what I was looking at. It's touchscreen as well. I didn't know that. it's touchscreen, so like the settings and stuff, like if you tapping on it or whatever. I'm trying to look at myself, see how I look. I'm looking at the camera quality. Yeah. Oh my god. It's so funny, like, cause it's so good. Yeah. Like, it's not lagging, it's not none of that. Like, it's not lagging, it's not doing none of that. And this is like what the front look like. Like I said, I'm gonna leave the settings where they at, cause they good for me. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off, cause I'm gonna go plug it up. I'm probably most definitely gonna be recording on it tomorrow. I'm gonna do one more video after this one, and then yeah, I'm gonna record on this tomorrow. Cause I'm just anxious. I'm anxious, y'all. I'm gonna go in bed and order and edit. I gotta order me a little case and then a little stand to carry around for when I'm on the go. And that's about it right now. I give the camera a 10 out of 10, cause I mean, you know what I'm saying, I ain't used it yet. So I'm gonna come back with another like review after I record on it tomorrow. I ain't gonna come out with a review like right after I record, but you know, probably like a month from now, you know, telling y'all how it's going or whatever, which I think is gonna be good. Cause this camera just like that. If y'all hear some of them fireworks, people shooting outside, baby, cause I'm finna get in the shower, get in the bed and do my editing, but and my website for my wigs. But I gotta be to work early in the morning. What else? Get out my table. Give me it. Give it here. But I know y'all probably like, she don't take me serious. She really don't. But it's okay. She will, cause she finna start getting whooped. Y'all, and the only reason I had bought a camera because I'm like, okay, I'm gonna start this YouTube junk bed. They had sent me a little notification saying, cause they finally put my junk at all in need 500 subscribers. It was still at like a little 1,000 junk. They sent me a thing, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna start that. So I get this phone and finna start recording. Tell me why the back camera don't work. And I'm like, get off my hair. I'm like, did I record on the back camera or the front? I'm on this one recording on the front. If I would do that, y'all, I would have been dropped today. July 4th, I would have been dropped at like 12 o'clock today. Like noon, like in the daytime. I would have been, I'm stressed. Like, dang, I ain't got nothing to record on. But thankful, the phone full, because it's my old phone. Like I said, my other phone got stolen. So it's my old phone. This like the XS Max. Sound like the stuff full on it. Like the what is it? The storage. Like I can't even buy storage. Like the phone storage is just full, and I keep trying to delete stuff. So the camera did come in time. Thank God. Y'all just be ready for me to drop. I'm gonna go edit these videos and pre-upload them. We'll be dropping, like I say, every week. I'm gonna be dropping every week, because that's how I got my subscribers up to 500 and some, almost. I think it was like at 603 actually, 618, something like that. That's how I got them like that. I posted every single week. If it wasn't 3 times a day, 2 times a day, I don't think I post no less than 2 times a day. If you go back and look at my videos, I was dropping, because I was so determined. And I'm gonna go back to that. I'm gonna be dropping. And then I put my like YouTube and stuff on TikTok. I put it on TikTok and people saw it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go back to that, and then I'm gonna have my wigs on my TikTok too, because it's just, you know what I'm saying, content, me laying them, bleaching them, stuff like that. So y'all be on the lookout. Don't forget to follow my business page at dxpehairco on Instagram. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.